know I read it back, but can we get the climb instruction again? Sorry.
Easy 829 from climb flight level 3, in fact you can climb flight level 330.
330, easy 829, thank you.
Easy 165 Yankee, turn right onto heading 070 degrees.
Right, 070, easy 165 Yankee.
Golf Lima Mike at Whiskey India Kilo, you're cleared for the VOR DME, runway is going to be the other one, isn't it? Runway 13, report beacon outbound.
Thanks for Whiskey India Kilo, cleared a VOR DV approach runway 13 and report beacon outbound, compliment.
Scotland Center, November Alpha 72, we're holding point for the runway 16.
Roger, I will call you back in just a second. Break, easy 165 Yankee, turn right heading 085.
Right heading 085, easy 165 Yankee.
Eurowings 38 Charlie, London is offline, monitor advisory 122.8, bye bye.
122.8, Eurowings 38 Charlie, thank you for the service, good night.
1000.
And November Mike Alpha 72, what's your intention? I think you did say you're looking for VFR circuits, is that correct?
November Alpha 72, affirm.
November Mike Alpha 72, roger. Break, easy 165 Yankee, turn right heading, correction, turn right heading 090 degrees.
Right heading 090, easy 165 Yankee.
And easy 195, correction, 165 Yankee, turn right heading 130 degrees, on that heading, clear ILS, runway 16.
Turn right and cleared ILS 16, easy 165 Yankee.
Sawbase 10, descend to altitude 4,000 feet. The Edinburgh QNH is 1030.
4,000 feet, QNH 1030, Sawbase 1 Oscar.
And Sawbase 1 Oscar, turn left heading 075.
Heading 075, Sawbase 1 Oscar.
100.
And November Mike Alpha 72, I've got your after departure instructions when ready to copy.
Ready to copy, November Alpha 72.
50.
November Mike Alpha 72, roger, hold position after departure runway 16, you're cleared for the right hand VFR circuits, not above altitude 1,500 feet on Aberdeen QNH 1028, and the squawk is 7010.
Cleared for the right-hand visual circuits on from Aberdeen, transition altitude 15,000 feet and squawk 7010, November Alpha 72.
Negative, so it's not above 1,500 feet. I say again, 1,500 feet on QNH 103, QNH 1028.
Sorry, not below 1,500 feet and squawk 7010, November Alpha 72.
Not above, the opposite, not above 1,500 feet.
Yes, not above 1,500 feet.
November Mike Alpha 72, thank you, read back correct, and I'll call you back shortly. Break, easy 165 Yankee, runway 16, clear to land, Aberdeen winds, 150 degrees, 12 knots.
Clear to land runway 16, easy 165 Yankee.
Scandinavian 4608 requesting 5 minutes out of cockpit.
I will be closing anyway, so you can continue with advisory 122.8.
122.8 Scandinavian 4608. Thank you for service. Bye bye.
Delta 4, Christian Delta 8745. I will be closing up shortly. Monitor advisory 122.8.